Yeah, y'all been talking ABC, but I've been calling 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and it on the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I needed one, but you was not listening up. Never been scared, could never be. Now I'm growing up now. Never stuck on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'm be out of here. I'm gonna try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break.
Yeah.
Ever.
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about things so differently. I ain't thought that was time for synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been talking ABC, but I've been calling 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and it on the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I needed one, but you was not listening up. Never been scared, could never be. Now I'm growing up now. Never stuck on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'm be out of here. I'm gonna try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break.
Yeah.
Ever.
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about things so differently. I ain't thought that was time for synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been talking ABC, but I've been calling 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and it on the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I needed one, but you was not listening up. Never been scared, could never be. Now I'm growing up now. Never stuck on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'm be out of here. I'm gonna try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break.
Yeah.
Ever.
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about things so differently. I ain't thought that was time for synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. Some people hate on me.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
WWI, worldwide investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been talking ABC, but I've been calling 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright, yo. Hey, and it on the computer. Do you see our name on the big screen board? I got all the time I needed one, but you was not listening up. Never been scared, could never be. Now I'm growing up now. Never stuck on myself, but I'ma wake up now.
WWI, worldwide investors, Roach game forever. Let me tell you how. I ain't gonna play no games. Give me my drink. I'm be out of here. I'm gonna try to give my best. Worldwide investor, Roach game in town. I'm gonna break.
Yeah.
Ever.
Okay. Yeah. You see me, I think about things so differently. I ain't thought that was time for synergy, huh? I've been sleeping hard, so I've been having a lot of dreams. Yeah. Some people hate on me. No. No. So before him.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
WWI, Worldwide Investor.
Hey. Yeah. Y'all been talking ABC, but I've been calling 1, 2, 3. My candlestick is going up and down. That's my money calling, huh? My phone is on DNA, but how you something calling, huh? What's that calling, huh? That's my money calling, huh? Hey, yeah, it's on the computer every day. Hey, it's on the computer so bright. Yup. Hey, have you the computer? Do you see our name?
Peters. Peter Wilson, I know you're supposed to be here. I know you're supposed to be here, Peter Wilson. I've been waiting for you. I said, don't worry, baby. I'm here. Great rising, Stream. Great rising. Go for what you want. Go for what you want in life. If I have to tell him that, come on. Wanna go for what you want in life, man. Let's go. I am a consistently successful probabilistic trader who has absolute faith in God and me on my path of limitless abundance. I only trade my strategy at key entry points, which is a result of high-level performance. I am disciplined. I'll never be broke again. I have control of my thoughts. I am the observer. I focus only on performance, not outcome, ever. Ever, ever. I have faith and trust in my journey. I know everything is always working out for me. It doesn't even matter. I can't wait till I get to the point where it completely doesn't even matter. Yo, great rising up, man. Well, that's so comfortable. I am the greatest trader. Asking and shall be given to. Seeking ye shall find. Knocking and shall open unto you. I deny error. I have health, discipline, and wealth in abundance. I know I am what I think about. I am just learning. I deserve this life. Positive, happy mental every day. I am truly limitless. I'm controlling my thoughts more and more each day. I rule my destiny, and so do you all. That's what we're just talking about, the empowerment. Taking control of surrendering and giving up all control, basically. That's how you get it done. It's crazy. For our strategy we have, start the timer, accept risk, enter one tick above or below a two-legged pullback, failed two-legged pullback, lower high, higher low, failed breakout, triple test, break and retest. Play stop one tick at signal bar. We got our tier 1s, tier 2s, tier 3, tier 4. Tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4. Trust the unknown. Measure risk to reward and make sure to keep deep bellow breathing. Breathe bottom of your stomach. Get that going. Monitor 3-bar/1 minute chart. I am only process. Lock in 10 points near risk to reward. Break even. I am only progress. Think heavenly. Think godly. Gratitude to learn always for everything. Man, I'm grateful. Yo, man, what's good, yo? I gotta show you something. So remember how we kept getting stopped out yesterday? We kept getting stopped out, and then I waited a little bit. Got back into, I think we took this trade. We got stopped out for basically made our cash back. And then I got off the stream, and then I didn't take any more this trade in Apex. But I got this trade right here, yo. 575, baby. I just remember when we were talking about it yesterday. 575, baby. Remember, we were calling that out all day yesterday from the rising. And when it hit, bro, I was in there, and I was like, oh, shoot, that's the 21. They took out the 21. They just kept going. Yes, sir. Did you get in on that or what? Because I know you were looking at the same. Oh, shoot. Market open, baby. Oh, yeah, so I'm trading Ninja Trader, cash account, Apex as well on the copy trader. And then I'm also trading a trade station on my other screen right there. So we got Grand Rising, Rich Rising, brother. Hey, great. Rich Rising, brother. Rich Rising. Rich Risings.
Yeah. Let me quiet for a few moments. I have to get all my charts ready on all the screens. So
Oh yeah, you good, bro. You good.
Terrence, you got a screen that you can use?
Oh yeah, bro. I'm gonna put it on this computer, the Mac one.
Okay, you don't need it?
Huh?
Do you need it or you don't need it?
No, because I'm just gonna make the zoom small so I can still understand. Shoot, I'm not rushing nothing, but hopefully we done by then.
Yeah, another thing too.
All right, so let's see what.
Because it's Friday.
Nah.
Hey, Gavin.
hello?
Hey, once we're done trading today. Called me. Okay, we're gonna get that thing straight out.
That's what it looks like it did. And I don't know which way this. We got the break.
Watching some Pat's review. And yo, man, I'm honestly feeling the same. I am definitely more leaning towards the bearish side, but I'm doing my best, as my guy Kendall tells me to. Think both sides. So I'm like, okay, it's going short. It's been dropping short. Perfect. Everybody's probably going to get on the short. All right, so let's stick with the short buys. But the best way to trap them is when everybody's thinking it's going short and just bring it up. So I'm looking for both right now. Just watching. Let's see what happens.
But anyway, we get another break here. And again, like
Quick little
you take
review.
that one. This
Mac been taking all fake breakouts at the top of the ranges. Basically.
maybe there's
Or break and retest.
okay, we got a failure, but there's just too much support across there.
When you get that lower high.
That's what happens. It breaks lower, pulls back, and this actually.
Yo, brother. Huh?
You can share your screen.
Oh, yeah, my bad. I thought it was up already. We got in here all happy with the rich risings. Forgot about everything. Yo, it's up now? You can see now, Gavin?
See it?
All right, good.
Yep, we're good.
All right. Waiting for these 15-minute candles. You already know. What gone, G? Where? Oh, but it looks so good, don't it? Damn. Yeah, the green bar is killing me. But bro, I think we're gonna keep watching these 15-minute bars and see how the market moves. But I think if we want to take a trade before 45, we should really just go in minimal contracts, because that is the setup right there. But you know, we wait. It closed a little bit above the 21, but still decent trade if you ask me. So we stay on target. Keep watching that. You know what I mean? All right, so that worked out so far. We would have got our 10 points. What is this? From 76, it went down to 51. We must also take notice of these bars are kind of getting a little aggressive. That was a big bar out of nowhere. Now bounce off the bottom. Watch they give you the low. Watch they're gonna give you the lower high. 369 is a level I'm looking. Need 5-minute close above that level. Okay. Yeah, bro. Ottman, keep it going. Yo, Ottman, where was you when I was saying call out the trades, bro, for the free cash? What's going on, bro? You giving me levels now. You gotta call out the trade, brother. You call out the trade, bro. I mean, win or lose, really. Once it's a good trade and it goes where it's supposed to go, we were just giving out cash. So stay tuned for the next time we do that, bro. Because you've been on here. We basically been going back and forth yesterday.
Yes, moving forward, we're going to be giving some hats away, WWI.
Oh, yeah, and we got some hats we're going to give out. We're running a new company here, a new system, WWI. So, hey, bro, y'all stay involved. Ottman, I'm waiting for you, Ottman. I'm going to come find you if you don't respond when we doing that. Go.
Man, get involved daily, man. Get involved daily.
Yeah, bro, he's on here daily so far. He's like the first one on here, really, these days. It used to be my dude, Origin Code. Where's that guy? Who's that guy, Origin Code again?
Have no doubts. What the man said the other day, don't bet against him. If you're thinking about him, chances are he's in the room.
I think he's there. I think Origin Code is somewhere in here. I think they call him Kendall, the market whisperer. He knows. Kendall is like the conductor. He sees everything going on. All right, we got a little downtrend, but I'm more so looking at the range. All right, yo, here you go with the 369. They just closed above the 21. You said 5 minute you looking for?
I'm sorry, what are you looking for? 369 where?
So he was just looking for it to close above that level. So like again, I'm just taking into consideration what he's saying. So I'm like, okay, it closed. Now of course we don't get in just like that, but a pullback at the top. I'm looking for the break and retest at the top of this range or another failed breakout. Especially if I get a rejection off of 432. Ooh. I think I would like that one.
432.
Mm-hmm. 15432.
Oh my God, that's 432. Okay. Let's see where you at.
You see the top?
Yeah, I got a little smaller range. I got a smaller range than that one. That's why I'm looking at it to reject from where it's at right now.
Yeah. My dude said he's not convinced we down with the downside, bruh. You and me both. We were supposed to, you see if we broke below this bottom here and we took out this 15339 or go to 15333, that's my target if I get into a short. That's where I'm looking for it to go. But if we had just broken below that, I could see the uptrend because then there's a downtrend, break, new extreme, but we still have not gotten this new extreme. And I'm not forgetting this. I'm going to make sure I draw this so I do not forget this.
It's rejecting now.
This is supposed to come back down here somewhere. Supposed to come back down here. Then we could look to get that reversal. Or we look to keep going down. Because if it takes out 333 aggressively, oof. We got a good amount of news today as well. What we got to watch out for, honestly. Let me check. Because I'm pretty sure we had a news at 45 today. Yeah, we got news at 45 today. We got news at 10 today. And we got news at 10:30. Even 11:30. So just be aware, gang. The alarm.
Now I see some new person in this group. His name's Michael. And Mark.
That's me, Fritz. That's me.
That's JJ, bro.
Oh my God. Oh my.
He's like, who the hell is this?
Yeah, he ready to hit me with the 5%.
Yeah, he's like, Michael, welcome to the group, man.
5%.
He is. He is in school.
That's what I'm talking about.
So you're a senior?
Nah, bro. Junior.
I remember my senior year back in 2009.
God damn. He said, Kendall, you a old man. They make he said elderly. They make me feel. That's how they make me feel, bro. When I'm here with them, I'm like, bro, get out of here. You're making me feel mad, old. Yeah. And we got that wisdom. We got that wisdom now.
Yes. Right. Exactly the same thing.
Younger than when I was 15.
I wish. Somebody showed me this when I was 15. Boy.
You wouldn't be ready for it. You would not be ready for it.
Wouldn't even be ready, bro. But that's why I need somebody like me to have got me ready. That's why I'm getting them ready. Ooh, break new extreme. Go for that top.
So we're already getting red flags here because we're spending a little bit too much time. So they're giving away a little bit of what's happening. So the intensity, it's now turned on. So somebody has a lot of risk on the book that they need to balance. You may have heard the term rebalancing. So
Yeah.
I'm rebalancing my position because I've got so much risk. So I've got to hold the marker right here.
Wait a second,
So that's what we're doing.
Okay. Okay. See what I mean?
So this, the reason I say that is I'm going to start pointing out these milestones so you guys could be putting together the scene for yourselves.
Please.
Attaching on to these variables that will happen every single day. So now that's happening. So what does that insinuate? What's going to be the next sequence of steps that happen because this is happening? Because it is, it is. So if it is, then what is it? And then you can watch it sequence and take shape. But we've got our first mile marker, if you will, our first point of variable to pay attention to, and that's the rebalancing that's taking place. Also, too, we've got participation declining since that opening print. So literally since that opening print, participation is declining.
Everything going down.
That's a little bit weird. That's so weird.
Right, right. Bro, once I get enough charts, I'm getting a section just for your chart, the one you have. Because I need to learn these participation like markers and insights. It's really, really key. Guys, I got a question for everybody. I'm trading a group of 25Ks right now. If we see it start trending, do I step to 2 contracts? Is really good, or do I just stay to 1?
I mean, 2 contracts if we're really good, yes. Clear context, probably like 5. You mean like field breakout?
Yeah, remember, all we need is 5 points. 5 points at that point. Lock in our 5 points, we basically done for the day, let it run. Of course, if it comes back at us, same way, right? We'd be down 400. I just like to tell now what I'm thinking about.
And so like two contract 5 points, no?
Yeah, we really. Of course, we're still holding for our 10, but you know.
Right, but the 2 contract have back to 10 points, 30.
Uh huh.
So you said that you had a group. So if you've got a group, what I have found to be next level is to separate them individually so that they move with their own power and degree, and they're not moving as a group. So if I move as a group, in truth, it's like I'm moving as one. There is really no group. Yeah, there's the leveling up, but
Right.
that's more of a show thing. But the real flow is when you can move with the group as a wave. So let me give you an example of what I mean. So if I take the trade, I'm going to take it with the prime, that main account will say 1. And then based on how that goes as I'm watching it, that may give me, now I can have a little bit of fun and I'll start to maybe put those other accounts behind that trade after I get confirmation of what I want to see.
Right.
And maybe it goes against me. I get a little bit of drawdown.
Right.
Now I'm in a position where I've only got 1 countdown. It hasn't hit my stops. It hasn't hit my risk levels. So this gives me an opportunity to now take advantage and get that drawdown back if I wanted to. Just let me put in the second account, grab it, the trade position's still valid, and I'm going to go ahead and take my profits once I come into balance, right? I'm rebalancing, come back into balance on the first account.
Right.
And then I'm now back at a balance. So I've already got paid for the drawdown. I'm now still in the original trade.
Right.
And I've got that back into balance. Well, when that one comes back to balance, boom, it fires off the third one, which gets back into the original trade. Maybe I get the second one back into the original trade. So now I've been able to rotate 3 accounts and been able to see. I got to witness what I needed to see. Gives me the confidence to lean So I would
Second entry short failure.
challenge you to experiment with breaking them down if you can't do them all individually, because it's hard work.
Yeah.
It is hard work. It's actually way harder to do it individually.
Yeah.
Maybe do like 5 at a time. However you do it, just do them, break them apart, still group them, but
All right.
not one group.
Me and you go have to practice that one.
That's risk management. This is where I have the most fun. So this is where I'm exploring and learning and doing all kinds of fancy cool stuff. Because this is where you actually have fun.
Right.
And you get the awareness, and now you've got the accounts where you can take advantage of just about anything and everything that takes place. So that's where you really get to have fun, man. First.
Done. All right, bro. I'm hearing you. Don't worry. Like I said, I just write it down, take it into consideration. See how
What's going on here, man? My Skype is not working on my computer.
Huh? Maybe shut it down and restart it.
Yes.
Take accounts one at a time.
Great rising, everybody.
And watch Prime. Hey, Great Rising.
Rising.
Oh yeah, bro. She just popped that 406. You wasn't lying. Yo, again, Ottman. See? How you gonna tell me that now? Ottman is on it though. He's like, if they held 406, they're trying to target 450. Okay, 39.
So now they got the new extreme for the option, right?
Low key. I don't know if this is a failed breakout, but
And a failed breakout.
these bars are too big. These bars are too big though. Remember, there's news right now. Yeah, we got news at 10 as well.
Okay.
I told you before the pop. Yeah, he did, and he did say it before the pop. Nah, that's what I'm saying, bro. You calling out the trades when we not giving away cash. What's going on?
Hey.
Better
I
call.
want my money now.
Yeah, I'm talking to Ahmed. I'm talking to the dude. I'm like, bro, you better start.
You good?
Yeah, man.
First, pull back second.
No. What's going on here, man?
What do you mean?
This Skype, man, it just shut off me on my computer.
You gotta try to. Did you try to restart the Skype?
I tried to. I'm trying to I exit out of it, but still, I'm going in. It's giving me errors.
No.
It's insane. I took that short bit, but it got me though.
Oh yeah. You took the second entry short?
Yeah, it got me.
Oof. Above the 21, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, I should have scalped it, but hey,
yeah.
it was,
But still, bro.
going my way.
Yeah, we gotta watch that.
Top of the range.
Gotta watch that 21. I need a little space between me and that 21. Even if I'm taking a short above it, nah, I need some space to go back to it, because I know how it be. I know how it operates.
Nah, he got me though. It got me. But it's all right though. I got one more third. I'm going to that.
Okay.
It want to start, but it's not starting. What the hell? Dude. Hey, JJ, did you just hack my computer, man?
No, I didn't. I'm using my phone. I don't think I can do that.
It's very true, right?
What else you got running on there?
That's from my ninja trading. That's it.
Huh.
Ninja trading. I could see. Now I just can't see anything. It's just blurry.
Huh. I don't know.
That's crazy.
Does your computer need any updates?
Yeah, I know. Well, I just don't want to miss the trade. That's why I got you guys on the phone.
Oh, yeah, well, no. I was going to say, bro, just rock with the phone. I'll look at it when I'm done. Second entry short again.
What do you think? This is a doji candle.
Yeah, you. There you go. You exactly know. You exactly know what I think. I cannot.
That's it. I just need one good trade and I'm done.
I think this uptrend is too big, but I'm still gonna draw it and then try to find a little one. I got like a big one.
You know what, Fritz? I'm glad that you said that actually. There was last night, I was kind of thinking, in my meditative state, and one of the things that came to me is possibly a little bit of experimentation if you guys are interested in. There is a trade that I've been participating in for many, 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 many years now. And I like to call it the 100% trade.
Ooh.
And it's just when so many things happen, you can just ride the wave, and I ride the wave. But usually, to get to that point to where I can ride and take this trade, it's cost me a lot of money to see all of this. Well, anyways, what I'm trying to do is to level up my degrees of awareness with this. So I'm thinking I can, when those situations probably be like once or twice a month they happen, I'll just share my screen and I can't answer any questions, but I want to hear what you guys see as the trade develops. I'll show you. You'll see everything in terms of me being in it and where I am in the market. And then I'm going to put my blocks like I normally would for my mind and thinking. But I want to stimulate and get responses from you guys. What do you see as prices developing with this trade? Because it'll be like we'll sit and wait for it to play out, and I'll adjust the blocks with how the market prints. I'll move things around, but I can't influence in any way. I can only show, and I want to see what kind of responses come by.
Yeah.
And then I want to see how the trade plays out so that you guys can see it.
All right, bro. Well, you just let me know. I'm here for it.
I'm in for it. Just listen up.
100% trade? Why wouldn't I want to learn something like this? It's amazing.
Well, it would be heavy, though. It would definitely be heavy because you would have to make sense of it, is what I guess the disclaimer would be. Because if I show you this, you can't unsee this stuff.
Yeah.
You now have something new that you're going to have to make sense of to a degree. But to be honest, it's not anything really new because I've been dripping out all of this stuff when I speak and describe it for you guys. So you get it, but then we're going to see it, watch it all the way through. And you're going to see me adjust the charts and everything. And then you got to just watch it out. How can this be? At the end of the day, you still are going to need to make sense of it, which generates the response that I'm interested in.
Right. All right, bro. Let's go. Let's line them up.
All right.
Let's line them up. You said 7, 8. Oh, son of a biche. News again, huh? Okay. I mean, I don't really see anything here. So you say, man, you think it could go to 78? What are we at right now? 40? Yeah, I see that. All right, so let's go. We got to let these 5 minutes pass and come back. But Kendall, I am here for it, brother.
Let's get it going.
Whatever's new. Now we got range again. Yo, so you see what I've been telling you? These past 2 days, right before it takes off, little range. We got to find the setup in the range. This one was good right here. Technically, we got first entry, second entry failure, off 21, back into the range. That starts the move. Right here again, they range at the top. Right here, that starts the move. See what I'm saying? This one starts the move.
So you think it's going up or down?
For me, right now, I'm just seeing them trap the longs. I mean, trap the shorts. They just keep trapping the shorts. So I think up right now till I see this thing start breaking back to the 21.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta.
That's kind of weird because I can't even see my other thing, so I'm just gonna play it as it is, like whatever.
But,
Oh, come on, dude. Wait.
but if you really,
To go back to the top,
yeah, easily. If you really look, bro, all these,
to your blue line.
yeah. This is the open of the day, so we know it's already been up there, right? You see what I'm saying?
Right.
And now I got first entry pullback, second entry higher low right into the top of the range though. That's like for me suicidal.
Yeah, as long as it's set up in my boy.
Yeah, but I'm just waiting. We're gonna wait.
Right.
Yo, try to see if it's two legs up already, cause that would be amazing too. One. Then that second one about to hit this green line. Not sure what this green line is, but the second leg would end right there. You know what I'm saying? That higher low is savage. Seen that? You seen the higher low? So you got one pullback, two pullback again. Like they didn't even break above. So they tried to break above already, couldn't. Sellers tried to come in, right back up. Off the 9, I don't see 21.
Oh, yeah, that was second. Alright.
This one right here?
Yeah.
I remember, both of them are off the 9. Oh, this one? This first one? Oh, yeah, this first one is good, too.
Going back to the top.
Just because we in this range, I wanted to see some direction.
I like what I'm hearing, Spence. You gotta really map out the scene.
Yeah.
Map out the scene. You do it every day, you're gonna really start to define the space. That's what I wanna hear, man.
All right, man, I'm on it. I'm on it. Let's see. Now back up here, 0. And then we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait and see what it does. So far twice we've gotten set up-ish in the range, right? Instant reversal now. I mean, that's the thing. If this trend is valid, it's gonna be right here. It doesn't look like it, but we got, let's see. We gotta adjust this uptrend. See what we're looking at here. Nah, definitely just small trends. I don't think we have a big trend. So this small trend just had break new extreme. We got this news in 1 minute, so let's see how that cools out. Bro, what would be amazing right now? It just drops, goes to the 21, drops underneath, comes back up, higher low.
I send you the link, okay?
All right, already? Okay.
Okay, so 1 minute.
Say less. All right, guys. So I'll be on here. I'm gonna come off mute whenever possible. I got a little investors meeting right now.
Yes, praise be.
It's been
Make that money.
my guy Kendall. I love. You gotta love this guy. I told you, you just gotta like this guy.
He said, yeah, praise be.
That's some stuff we would say, right? That's some stuff we would say, like, yes. The blood of Jesus. Yo, where'd you send the link? WhatsApp?
Yeah, what's up? You want it differently?
No.
Regular text?
No, that's all right. I just gotta open it.
I have to like put it in a separate thing.
Yeah, bro. NQ is moving, but now it's moving crazy. Wild. It's just starting expanding. Okay, so they're getting aggressive. What is this news? What is this news we're waiting for right now? ISM, non-manufacturing. Yeah, doesn't Apple have earnings today or something?
Apple?
Or one of these companies have something today? One of these tech companies?
There's a lot of them. Hold on 1 second.
Yeah, man, you good. Other day, market started to drop. They were talking about some bank. I'm like, God damn.
All right, I'm gonna drop a link for you guys to a great feed. I think it's number one for the retail side in terms of good news. If you want to just watch the narrative real time off the chart, really good. Check this.
Hold on a second, Brad Peterson. Let me get you one here. Regular text would be.
Okay. All right, can do whenever.
Gosh, how many texts? That's not Texas. See? I'm still trying to get the hang of this thing here on my computer.
Okay.
There you go. I just sent it to you. Just look at it.
Me? You talking about me or somebody else?
I just got one guy I gotta call. Let me call.
Okay.
Call him.
What's going on, Dave? Just seen you come in.
Peterson, did you get it on there? Okay.
Phoenix.
Okay.
Hey, I'm having
I'm
trouble
gonna
with
go
my
ahead and
internet
call this
connection
other
here.
guy here because he was
But I'm
supposed to
here.
be checking this link.
What's up?
Oh, okay, Dave. Well, man, we here. Phoenix, how's your 15 million followers?
About what?
Your 15 million followers.
Oh, 15 million. It's Thursday.
And growing.
Bruh.
And growing.
Just another Thursday, huh?
Just another
It's
Thursday.
Thursday, man.
Today, right? I knew it. I seen it. So Apple has earnings, Amazon.
Peterson, I'm gonna call him right now and see if he could find his thing. Okay. Let's see if
Okay.
Okay, good. Let me go call him right now. All right, then. Bye.
This computer is amazing. This is running everything.
What's this? Hello? Oh. All right, guys. I'm going for one more person to see if they're gonna join.
Can I put this in my head?
Let's see if we can.
I can do this anything.
Huh?
Can do this anything.
Oh, for the earnings? What was it? What was it for? Hey, and what's going on, guys? I'm here trading, so I'm just listening, but y'all let me know whatever y'all need from me. Yo, JJ, I'm in the other call, remember? Nah, you good, you good. You guys can hear me?
Yes.
Perfect. This is amazing. All right, so I got this here, and I got y'all here. Let's go.
So did you take that buy?
Me?
The one and only buy that we have that a predator would have been sitting in the brush to get.
No, I didn't get to end up in the brush just now. I was getting in this meeting.
Okay.
But I'm watching now. I just see a lot of ranging going on, and I know there's some news here and there going on.
We got another opportunity. There's some buyers, 400, 403. If we get down there low, that's going to be a next point of control.
Yeah.
We're still about 440. So if our buyer gets it right back up there, that might get more people to come in.
So you're waiting for them
The
to.
thing that just took place is someone got on the very top of price on the institution side. So someone loaded up with a whole bunch of NQ contracts and just absolutely loaded up. So big short sitting on the top.
Yeah, this is
This
savage.
is what's stimulating this response.
I like that lower high.
Then like play, I don't like explain myself. So like when's it gonna be like, oh,
Yo, Fritz, you guys can hear me, right? Okay, perfect. All right. My guy Billy, what's going on? What's going on? I wish we got a better bar for that lower high, man. But Kendall said we should maybe still look long. So what else we get? First, second, come back down. They're going back into this range. Okay, so and these properties are all in Connecticut. Okay. Yeah, because we were already looking at one in Greenwich. Kendall, you said 403?
yeah, I think that's what he said.
Yeah, I think so. It's just a crappy signal bar, huh, G? That lower high was it, bro. It came right to the 21.
And I've got a participant at 400 sitting, and then there's someone front running it at 404 and 3/4, and then 404.25. So I'm gonna go ahead.
All right, I'll see. We see him. I'm looking.
And then I've got buyers. This is it for our buyers. Our last one here would be sitting at 73.
Damn, fail breaker.
But right here at this 400, this area is where I expect a lot to be revealed. It's not over quite yet.
Okay. Yeah. I would have went short, bro, if this bar right here at 10:05 was a little shorter.
So when you do your little quick setup, how many points are you trying to get?
Yo, 5 to 10 points.
5 to 10?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I just did the 9 sitting at 400 so that would be an extended a bent clip or a responsive clip to me. So
Right.
yeah, I'm sitting in a responsive position, right? So if I'm on the buy side, the buyer already stepped up
Right.
and initiated the move. So this offer coming in, these sellers coming in, they're coming to me. They're coming to me. So where am I going to get the best positioning in terms of my risk? So
Right.
this is where I get to really dance into my own mastery or self-awareness.
Mm.
So if we've got that 400 position, see what I mean? Look at what's happening. That was
Boom.
easy trade. That's the group trade.
That's a
I
savage
did.
trade.
I called that one out. I told you where I was gonna be. I told
That
you.
was it. Well, yo, you keep doing that, and I'm just watching you. I'm watching you. I just want to keep seeing, because I told you. I ever since you started explaining it a certain way, that's how I look at it. And if I can make sense of it really to myself, to be like, okay, trigger, boom. Even right.
That's why it's very important that you keep doing what you're doing. Just
keep looking.
don't stop moving forward.
Yeah.
Just what are you doing? You're going through the narrative in your mind of what you're seeing with each of the little blocks of logic. This is what AI is doing. When AI tries to make sense of what we give it a command to do, it's taking the variables within its data set. So to be honest, we're doing the same thing, but we've lost degrees of awareness to what we do naturally
Right.
as biological machines. So we do this naturally, but we've got to be aware of what we're doing. So when I'm listening to you, you're talking about the first and second,
Mm-hmm.
and this is your area. You've got these levels. When you want to,
What we think, break and retest?
when the market gets there, bro, literally, you zone everything out and you're paying attention to as much as you consume because it's being revealed to you. Those are your levels and they came to you. So you've got to, when the market comes to you at those levels, you've got to listen, hold the frequency, pay attention with whatever you know. You can lie to everyone else, but you can't lie to yourself.
Can't lie to
Be
yourself.
honest.
I love what he says though. All right. Right now, still thinking
All right.
short, but I see the long.
Our buyer responded, right? So if we got the buy response, our buyer moved the market just by hanging out at 400. It moved the market. Too many people were there. So in all of this too is happening across the markets with mixed participation levels. So mainly all of this is taking place on the micro level. Retail is participating in that move we just witnessed. But across on the institution, cash, Qs, its volume declining. So this is where we're paying attention to the other side. So if I'm the seller who just sat up on top of this thing with a big massive position, I've got to defend or accumulate in it. I've got to do my business. So I recognize that there's a buyer at 400. They've stepped in. So I look, number one, contracts are there on the books in the market, open interest. So as participation's declining and prices moving up and down, this is where we need to be paying attention because another block is creating. And you were beginning to start your narration, and I stepped in because we need to recognize this offer.
Yeah,
right?
I was ready. I was ready to try to take a sell. 12, 22. Like you said, it's just moving though. It's just moving. I don't really want to jump in. I'm really looking for a good size. When I look at my 10K tick chart, this is my chart right here. I just see this bar showing me both ways. So that's why I'm just really like, yeah, I'm really watching, really trying to make sense of the story right now instead of jumping in. Yeah, I got that email too. Yeah, I can hear you. I'm not sure who can't. too big, right? Wow. $150 million for a house.
Back to the bid, boom, boom. There's the bank trade.
Right.
I'm still there. You see what I mean? I'm still there for that first, we'll call it that first attempt. That's it. So I'm at the person front running 400 at 450, 4 3/4 at 425. They're spanning three prices. You could have been any one of those prices. Just the boom, boom. I'm sitting. I'm a participant witnessing this. I'm going to take advantage of it because me being here, there's power as me, and there's a representation by way of frequency. Let's get paid. So I'm going to get paid because I'm sitting and waiting. There's the bank trade. There's another one still at 400. But see how my front runner, who I took the first position of, see how he's playing with the market right now. So the front runner is 405, and he's moving up 404 1/4 was where it starts. Now we're at 405. And see how we're just getting as participation is declining. Okay, on the cash market, there's an increase of buyers. So when I say cash market, NAS 100, FXCM,
Right.
we got buyers coming in. All right. Now we're still in a responsive position because futures.
Yeah, Opman. The bulls are getting trapped, but they're trying to fight back, huh?
That seller stepped in and sat on top of price. All right, now we got an increase in momentum across the market. They're really showing their hand on the retail side, MNQ, micro. And see how the price just stopped. So the seller's sitting there, and I want to get this, and now I'm leaning on it. And just as quickly as I lean on it, now on the institution side and the cash side, I'm eating all that retail volume that came in on the micro side. And I'm coming back to the supply or the demand where I'd be at the bid 405, and we're going to see the response to. I do have an order at 399 3/4, another little bank trade, and then I'm also sitting at 86 for a responsive position, and we'll see how this plays. Either way, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I'm just waiting. Man, no major questions, but this is amazing, huh? And you're right in that area where everything is coming together. Amazing.
Let's speak to what just took place. So there was just a big clipping of transactions that just came into the market on the buy side, but what it's revealing is that the seller, so the intensity is increasing. So we're getting closer to that what would be a good word to describe it? The moment where it goes down, like you can feel it by way of frequency, and it's almost like we're getting there to a degree now. So remember I was saying how momentum was increasing. Well, it was for that moment, then it died down. And it started to die down when that offer came in and they started leaning on the price. So this buyer who's front run, who I got to ride the wave of, but you see what I mean? I'm just in the bank trade. I'm not sitting in it.
Right.
I want to just get paid so that I can witness, learn, and grow, and really discover, craft my mastery. So there's no reason to still be in it. Shit. But now look, there's a seller responded to. You see how they're really battling right here. All right, so interesting. So I'm sitting at that price right, and I'm using a ghost clip. So they quickly, this is what I mean. So I've got the ability with speed to just send orders through the market quickly, and just as quick as can be, like my order goes through as a response, but they've already traded under that, and then they've already filled the profit all before my ghost clip goes to the market. And see, that puts me in a fucked up position. But at the same too, because I get to see that, I get to see the desperation to it. It gives me, well, yeah, man, there's a lot of battling happening because there's a lot of participants. Just like me, we can see this area, and then we've got our buyer, our real buyer and seller on both sides of the price and the liquidity. It looks like our seller, this is nasty savage. They're really showing their hand here. We're seeing the most volume since the open. Happen right here. Let me just go back to be sure. Yeah. Now they're slowing down the momentum,
Second entry long
I'm
failure.
just measuring that degree of intensity to this scene here. There's two orders triggered.
Okay.
If it gets up to 95, then I'll be okay. But if it doesn't, then I've got a little bit of risk on the board, but it's such a little tiny bit of risk. I'm not worried about it.
15,333 for the low. That's my target. 15,333.
I'm gonna see how they trade it then, and then that's gonna give me the information I need to make my next move. And the reason I could be confident on the next move is because I got to see what they did. I got to see where they put their money, where they grabbed liquidity, what they ate, and how their position is pivoting off of it. So I get a much better, stronger, confident position to take and then put weight behind it by just waiting, anticipating, and just holding the frequency to see.
Yes, sir.
Still at this bid. This is the buyer. Remember, I said there's going to be a buyer at the bottom who would be
Just a little
this
shitty.
scene together. We're testing
Got a wick at the
them
top
now.
and the bottom.
We're going to see if we rotate to the next scene. They're still here though. Let's watch it.
So in this area, all these people are basically buying and then redoing, and then once your neighbor buys and redoes, your whole neighborhood goes up. But drastically though. Damn, 322 is near the areas just looking at. Yeah, bro, 15,333. Greenwich, Connecticut. General property information. So they built that in 2005, and it's only 4 acres, but it looks huge. I mean, not look, it is huge. I just learned the other day acres is a good amount of land. I thought it was like you needed so many. All right, we got news in 5 minutes. I'm with you, though. I'm with you, Kendall. I'm holding it. I've been waiting for these shorts. They're just not giving me nice opportunity. Yeah, I just needed to touch the 21. This bar right here, the fact that the green bar had a wick at the top and the bottom just absolutely put me out the game. You see that second entry long? You see how the signal bar is a wick at the bottom and the top? And it's a green bar.
At the bottom and the green bar before the red bar.
Yeah, bro, I wanted to take either that lower high or that, but they just didn't give me nothing. Bouncing back and forth on this thing. You see it or no? Gavin?
Remember, I began confused with lower high.
Oh, but you seen that second entry long though, right? So we have 0. You see my chart? Are you seeing the chart?
It's not.
Huh? Huh? So
My mic is broken, I think. I be talking and then everybody's like, "Oh, can y'all hear me?" But y'all can't hear me because my mic broke.
oh, we can hear you now. I don't know what keeps happening, but look, so I got 0, 1, pull back 2, just arranging, right? I'm not gonna take that. Then I got 0 here, and I got 1, pull back 2. Couldn't touch the 21, but I was looking at this range for the bottom. But then look at these bars. These bars just look neutral. And I got a big support line right here, which is even why this bar just bounced up, like Kendall was saying about the bar just sleeping right here basically, and then bounce it up. So again, I was like, yeah, I'm definitely good. Then they dropped this. We don't know when this is gonna happen. So good. Oh, it is raining.
This battle we're watching now.
Tree, run.
What you looking for over there, Spence?
You know what is going on. Guido!
I know, we the can't reach this time, boy. Hush.
I'd say hush.
I know, say, as a matter of fact, I could reach the little run.
You're right, you know. Guido, make it happen.
Alright, I'm coming.
The man come here, so get the thing, get the utensils, drop them off before the teacher even turn around. Pit stop.
Reach back.
Pit stop. Uh,
Man said pit stop training.
yo, you should show some of your when you get your computer, you gotta show some of your classmates what you doing.
Him already start.
Oh no, oh no. I have not already started.
No and him.
I'm chilling. I'm chilling. But I know I will though. I can get some money for the club.
This move is happening with low volume, by the way. So this is like, bro, we are in interesting times.
Yeah, I'm just wondering.
This is all happening with participation leaving, so no one's showing up to do this. We're looking at the numbers. People are still leaving the market.
There's 2 rows here, so just check your name on both. I have to leave one.
Huh.
There you go. Just check it on both of them. Thank you, darling.
Listen to my guy in class right now.
You're in here.
Listen to my
If I'm a seller,
a sticky yes. Sticky is you them talking to?
Oh no, oh no. Me.
Better be there.
Sticky icky. Walking down the street, sticky icky.
And they're not talking to me. I don't have to sign my TV and that's it. If them give work, I shall hop off and come back on. I said, boy, I like a shot one in there, you see?
You must focus in school and either trading or focus on the board.
That's the thing. You don't really have one. You're not even a teacher that much.
Oh God.
So I said, I just waiting for them to send the work, right? Doing it, and then that's it.
There you go. You can do it all, buddy. You can do it all. Said you can do it all.
Oh, yes. I know Guido.
I already know Guids. Can I chime in real quick? I'll say so. Why I think this is so good, right? If I was gonna do this on my own, I would have to come find you for you to do this. You understand what I mean? Then I would have to go hope the people are giving me a good deal and all this stuff. So that's why when Fritz told me about it, I'm like, bro, I need to know what's going on because he's already an architect. That's like basically the whole thing to start, you know? So man, I'm definitely interested. Just so you know, as long as I'm just trading right now and in the trading group, that's why I'm not saying much. But as soon as I get going, I'm with it. All right.
Did anybody get a trade off this morning? I'm late.
Nah, yeah, I didn't take any trades today.
To finish this group and then I'll tell you guys about it.
All right. Nice bounce off the bottom. It's getting aggressive. Second.
Do I need to tell you guys about it, or can you kind of figure out what I did in there?
Yeah, you took that long.
There was one account where I was point of control. It's prime, so it's taking the initial triggers. It's going to get the worst price. So that prime position did hit a stop. I got my risk parameters right, so it got hit. I lost money on one account, but that same account, once that buyer stepped in and held, remember I said this is it. This is the buyer who's holding up the market. If he does not hold up, the shit's going down. So because he held it up, and they just hit my stops on that move where I'm supporting that position on one account now, I'm gonna jump back in. So then I went in with size on that one, and the others paid out. So that's again, that's enough for me on the day. So I'm gonna really relax. But I think you guys can see where I would be on just looking at your chart as I was describing.
Yeah. Let me do my future. Mask on, nigga. Fuck the mask out. Mask on, nigga. Fuck. I just see same thing, right? No, we see right now. Another failed breakout.
Yeah, but off the top of the shelf, you're in there.
Now we in the middle, so it can't do nothing, right?
I hear you cooking over there.
A little bit. I'm looking right now. I'm looking for them to either go back up, do a failed breakout, or just continue. And they need to give me a nice little opportunity there to get in on the continuation. Yo, they've really tried to make that new extreme, bro. It's not happening. See what I'm saying? Why didn't it happen? They were right there. But watch this failed breakout just start being, you see how these big bullish bars are up? Just some solid red bars like those. That's what we need.
Sometimes the why is not good to know. In fact, I would challenge anyone and say the why you don't need to know.
Don't need to know the why.
More of the how.
Yeah.
Because the why is, if you ask me, our seller is on the big mini NASDAQ. And they've got a big position sitting at the top. So we cannot forget that. That is our offer that we're playing this. When I'm taking the buy side, that's the offer I'm playing against. So this offer is still accumulating on the institution side right here. And then you're going to have the retail participants that are going to follow suit to a degree. Also, this institution participant can easily lean and influence the micro clip. So that's what we're seeing right now. So we're stopping right here because we are right on the averages. So if you do the math, that seller that came in at the offer with their size, we're right now at the price where they have to rebalance and respond.
Damn,
so
man.
so that's the why.
Light up the split.
It'll lean too much on you because now you can see when really you need to focus on being. I don't care about the why. It's
just
then there's a balance to it. So I'll be quiet.
Just move with it. Move with it.
That's right.
I see you setting up over there to slap the man. Roach. I see you setting.
But you see this, right?
I can see a little prejudice.
But can you see this right now?
Yeah, I've seen it.
First entry. Take off the top. I need a nice bar.
Come to the second.
And I would go. Yeah. I mean, failure. If it wants to fail, I would take it. This is at the top of the range. Yeah, man. Nice to meet you all. We talk soon. All right, brother. All right, I'm out of here. All right. That was interesting. So, Kendall, more stuff me and you talk about when we're chilling in the off time.
Sounds good.
That's what I just learned. Okay. I don't know. I don't need to know. But I want to try a short.
Is it the setup?
It definitely is. If it comes down, it needs to close. It needs to close nice.
ready to trigger.
What?
Me know say him polish the gun already in the GM.
Oh yes, brother man.
Oh yes.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yo, that was dope.
Anybody take anything?
Kendall been going in here with his savage ways.
Bro.
Savagery.
Anybody take any trade?
Nah, I haven't taken any yet. I'm waiting to see if this bar closes so I can take a short.
Oh, you trying to take a short?
Yeah.
I know you wouldn't take this.
Huh?
Why didn't you take the second entry long over there by the bottom of the 1030? Any reason?
10:30. Well, I was in the thing, but nah, I don't like that. I wanted it. I've been looking.
1032.
Yeah, I've been looking. And the bottom I have is at like 350. Maybe I moved this bottom up a little bit. Let's see.
350. Yeah, that's correct. 350 is the bottom.
Yeah, so I was just waiting for that. But okay, interesting. Because when I pull it up, it does bounce off that bottom. Yo. Nah, they didn't want to do it. What is this bar right here?
So,
Y'all got it, man. Y'all got it.
that was a pretty good conversation, wasn't it?
Yeah, man. And like I said, learned some insight. And I'm definitely with it just when he explains it with what's really going on.
I'm looking at somebody's chart. Whose chart is this?
So now that look like a break on retest. You can see?
Oh, nah, it worked.
Oh, big one.
Of course it worked. Terrible ball. Yeah, maybe if it comes back up, but
Yo, what's up, bro?
if it comes back up, 24. Nah, I don't feel like it will, bro. I just feel like it's gonna keep going. I just feel like it's gonna keep going.
Going long off the 9.
If it comes back up, I'll put a buy stop at 24. If it comes back up.
At 24.
Yep, there it goes. That's what I'm saying. No, wait. Savages. Why they gotta do that like that?
Wait to touch the 21. And I'll just basically go and see where I can get them at. Below.
Yeah, I might go long. Let's see.
I'm not going long here.
So you're not going long here?
Nah, it's right back to the top.
Back to the top.
I was looking. That's why I had my thing above 424, because if they came back out, that's outside the range. For me to take this right back into the top of the range, this is what these people did right here. Come on, break out of the range.
Too big.
That's what I'm telling you. That's what I'm telling you.
Come on, close the damn thing, man. Close it.
Lower high, that's what I want. I need this bar to push up, then a little green bar to appear. See, they didn't even let them do anything. Come on, bring it down, and then the buyers need to. Yeah, I'm telling you, bro, they're about to go for it.
Oh, let's go.
21. You can touch it. All right. Now 21's touch.
What are you waiting for, Gavin?
I'm not getting into. I want a new candle to appear.
Okay. Nice signal ball, right? We're in the bush right now. We see the gazelle. Is it too?
Alright, this is the bar I'm looking at.
Is it too big? Is it too strong?
Let's see.
Can we handle this wildebeest? Oh yes, listen to him. Kaya na, yeah, I know you are hunt. I know you are hunt. And you just gotta eat when we kill it. And you just
I'm jumping on his back. I got his back. I'm jumping on that back.
Check out the legs first, man.
We got a little room now to the top. You see what I mean? Now if it comes up debatable, but still, when I look at 10K, they still bringing it down. What's the daily chart looking like?
Yo, hey, Roach.
Yo, Reda.
You joined the 2 legs to the upside?
No, not yet, but I see what you're talking about. I'm looking for this bar to close. I think I'm gonna take that long.
Already in it.
Nah, 400. Dirty.
400 level.
Dirty boy, Kenda.
That's about it.
Yeah, I see you.
Level was where we could have been the buyer at. And see, I can't keep. Here's the thing that I have to balance is that's telling you guys too much because
All right,
if
I'm
I
about to
tell you
take it.
too much, you lose your own shine. Like
Oh,
you
yes.
guys need to
Oh,
shine.
yes.
So, but I will tell you after the fact so that you guys can see the scene. But that 400 level, where have I been at continually buying? Where has the market been continually, to some degree, supporting? And then we get our break through it, right? And then there has to be a sell response. Our seller comes in right where we expect them to be because they got to rebalance. They put on a show. Come and if I'm the buyer and there's a seller there and you got to rebalance, you're gonna rebalance into me at 400.
Shout out to Kendo. Shout out to Kendo.
And you get paid.
Kendo.
To Kendall.
Kendo. Thank God for YouTube, bro.
I also have receipts if you want to see them. That's a big thing these days. I do have receipts.
Thank God for YouTube, bro. Yeah, what are you doing? What you doing? You didn't collect no profit just now? Nah.
I did, but my runner. I still got my runner.
Nah, not you. I'm talking to my brother over here. Brother, what is going on with you, Skilly Bang?
Duke, what is going on, brother?
What happened to you, brother?
Oh, okay. You get a second chance to my youth.
Nah, he's not. You gonna go back in?
Who?
You? Oh.
Ah. Wait, I'm thinking it's still in there.
Nah, bro, he didn't get any. All right, well.
Summer boy.
Good stuff, stream. Let's go.
Hmm?
Good stuff.